Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link your cell phone to your laptop. This connection offers incredible convenience, allowing you to seamlessly transfer files, share internet, and manage notifications. We'll cover three main approaches: using Bluetooth for wireless pairing, a USB cable for direct connection, and cloud services for effortless synchronization. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up and utilize these powerful links, making your digital life much smoother and more integrated. First, let's explore Bluetooth pairing. Begin by navigating to your settings on both your phone and laptop and turning Bluetooth on. Your laptop will then scan for nearby devices. Select your phone from the list, and a unique pairing code will appear on both screens. Confirm this code to establish a secure wireless link. This method is excellent for quick file transfers, sharing your phone's internet connection, or even receiving notifications directly on your laptop, all without any cables. Next, consider connecting via a USB cable. Simply plug your phone into your laptop, and you can quickly transfer large files or use your phone as a modem for internet access. Alternatively, cloud services offer a fantastic wireless solution. Platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox allow you to automatically sync documents, photos, and videos across all your devices. Just upload a file from your phone, and it's instantly accessible on your laptop, providing seamless integration and backup without physical connections. To ensure a smooth experience, always keep your phone and laptop's operating systems and drivers updated. If you encounter connection issues, try restarting both devices or checking your USB cable for damage. For cloud services, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Remember to prioritize security by using strong, unique passwords for your accounts and connecting only to trusted Wi-Fi networks. Following these simple tips will help you maintain a reliable and efficient link between your cell phone and laptop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.